A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to my online class. Today I am coming with another chapter of computer subject is main parts of a computer. So students, a computer has too many parts. All these parts are very important and perform various functions. The four basic parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. And these are the main parts of a computer. First we discuss about monitor parts. So first point is it looks like a television screen. So monitor is look like a television screen. Number second point is it displays what the computer does. Number third point is we can watch various things like movies, photos, games, etc. on it. So students, through computer we can watch movies, music, photos, games, etc. Okay. Now second important point and parts is keyboard. So what does keyboard work? First point is a keyboard is made up of many small buttons called keys. So it said that computer has so many buttons. I think 104 keys. Computer has 104 keys. These keys help us to give commands to the computer. So these keys help us to give command. Third point is different keys perform different functions. Students, third main part of a computer is called mouse. So first point is look at this picture. This is a mouse and here the pointer. First point is it is used to control the movement on a computer. So through mouse we can control the movement on a computer. So second point is a mouse is used to give command to the computer without using a keyboard. So without using a keyboard, mouse give command to the computer. Third point is it has two or more buttons. So mouse has two or more buttons. Fourth point is it looks like a real mouse. So students, mouse it look like a real mouse. The fourth main part of a computer and it's so important is CPU. So first point is CPU is the brain of a computer. What is the brain of a computer? You say CPU is the brain of a computer. So CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. So CPU full means is Central Processing Unit. Please remember. And third point is it controls the computer to perform different functions. Through CPU we can perform the different function. Now we are moving to our other parts of a computer. First one is scanner. So scanner is used to scan the picture and text. We can scan picture and document with the help of a scanner and store them in the computer. So through scanner we can scan pictures, document and it's stored in the computer. Second other part is printer. Printer is a device used to take a printout on a paper. It can give a colored or a black and white print. So printer help us to take printout and it's sometimes it's color paper and black and white paper. Third other part is joystick. So through joystick we can play video games through computer. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen songs, sounds and music from a computer. Through speaker we can listen songs, sounds and music also. Now students, the last other part of a computer is headphones. So headphones are used to enjoy the music alone without disturbing others. And you say that when we stay alone time, that time we can use headphones and listen audio music through a computer. Now our explanation is finished, and you have to try all the main parts spellings and also other parts spellings, name of the spelling. So through the upcoming class I will give all the question and answers. Till then, thank you students, have a great day.